How to change password on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can change your password on Netflix, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, to basically change your password on Netflix, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application here. And then once you go ahead and then launch the Netflix app, just make sure that you're signed into the account of which you would like to change the password of. And after you have done that, just come to the My Netflix tab from the bottom right of the screen here. Then just tap on the three lines option from the top right. Then from the bottom, just go to the option called Account. After you come to the Account option, you should be able to see all this, where you'll find one of the options that says Change Password. Tap on the Change Password button, and all you have to do is enter the current password, enter the new password, re-enter the new password, and then tap on the Save option to save the changes. This way you can change the Netflix password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.